Hello, this is the See It, Try It, Speak It, Leo the King. Take a look at the image. What do you see? On your own, try to make 2 to 3 English sentences. Pause the video while you do this. Pause now. Great. Did you say Leo is a lion? He has a mane. He has 2 eyes and a large nose. He has fur. These are some examples you could have said about the image and Leo. Let's take a look at the image description. Leo is a large and powerful lion with a thick mane surrounding his face. His mane is a mix of golden and dark brown that glows naturally under the sunlight. He is resting on the ground, leaning against a tree, with his head down. His eyes are half closed, yet they still hold a deep and intense gaze. There are several small scars on his face, highlighting his strength. His strong jawline and broad nose stand out, while rough fur covers his face and neck. Fur surrounds his mouth like a thick beard, adding to his majestic presence. The ground around him is covered with dry branches and scattered soil, showing the rough terrain of the wild. His front paws are broad and powerful, with his sharp claws particularly visible. It is a quiet moment, yet his presence alone commands respect and admiration. Let's do the 10 questions now. First, pause this video and do the questions on your own. We will go over them together after. Pause now. Excellent. Let's take a look at question number 1. What is Leo doing in the picture? B. He's resting on the ground. It's a brief moment of relaxation we are seeing of our lion. We are told he is resting in the image description, but we see him on the ground in the image. Question 2. What colors are Leo's mane? B. Golden and dark brown. Colors that really reflect under the sunlight, but he's golden and dark brown. 3. Where is Leo resting? C. Against a tree on the ground. We see the tree in the image. We know he's resting there. Question 4. How are Leo's eyes described? C. Half closed, but intense. He's resting and kind of sleepy, but we still see the power behind this beautiful animal. Question 5. What is visible on Leo's face? And the answer is B. Small scars showing his past fights. He's a lion, and he's king of his world. We know he has fought to protect it, to keep control of it. Question 6. What part of Leo's body is particularly strong? C. His front paws. They're broad and strong paws with claws and have lots of power. Question 7. What does Leo's fur around his mouth resemble? Resemble means what does it kind of look like? And B. Fur like a beard. Kind of looks like an old man with a beard. Question 8. What does the ground around Leo look like? And the answer is B. It's covered in dry branches and scattered soil. Question 9. Why does Leo's presence feel powerful even when he is resting? The answer is A. His deep gaze and strong features command respect. We are told this information in the image description, and the lion is king of animals for a reason. Question 10. What feeling does the image of Leo create? And the answer is a mix of peace and strength. He's peacefully resting, but we still know he is a very strong and powerful animal. Now that we have done the 10 questions, using our ebook, go over and do them again. The ebook will provide a description of each question as well as detailed explanations for each answer. Also, reread the image description 2 to 3 more times. This will help with your English understanding, sentence structure, and vocabulary. Another recommendation is to make more sentences by looking at the image. You can never have too much practice, and it will help. In today's lesson, we described Leo, the lion. Did you like the lesson? If so, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on those notification buttons. Now, if you look in the description box below, you will see the link to our ebook, See It, Try It, Speak It. It is available for purchase only at the Google Store and is 30% off for the next 3 months. Remember, no matter how challenging it looks, never give up. English isn't hard when you're with me. In fact, English is as easy as 1, 2, and 3. Thank you so much for your support. Please like and subscribe so we can keep making English content for you to help you on your English journey. Until next time, bye-bye for now.